when I first played the Lodz program with Brave World on stage, I had a moment. I didn't think it when the show started, but somewhere, like in the middle of the show, I thought like, oh wait a moment, I might really be like the first German, not Jewish guy who's playing these tunes in public. Well, with a Jewish band, thank God, So no, so I don't have to face that discussion. Other discussions, which I had a lot, also heated discussions, absolutely. But yeah, I did have moments where I think, oh well, so I'm the only one who does not have their grandmother on stage here, and it's remarkable as an experience.